today's plan, we're going to go to an abandoned cement factory, or at least I think it's a cement factory, and I think it's abandoned. We know there's security, we know there's guards. So we're not going to have an easy time getting in, are we? It's not going to be easy, we have to go all the way around the back. First we need to go get some sandwiches, get something to eat.
Good part of the day.
The best part of the day, breakfast or lunch, whatever time it is. It's a beautiful day here. This little town is beautiful. We're in this little garden right now, this park. It's all these gorgeous trees. It's a beautiful day. We thought it was going to rain today. And luckily it didn't. Let's go. Found the sandwiches and a nice bottle of water so we don't get dehydrated. So like I said, it's super hot. The place is literally like right over there. And apparently there's a security post at the front, so we'll see how well it goes. But for now, we came to this little place to eat and look at the view. All of the mountains. Really beautiful place. So even if we don't get in, we had a good time. It doesn't look like there's any guards on the front. I want to just walk straight in, but I feel like if I do that, they're gonna catch us and say, you know, fuck off. And every other video I saw went around the back. So we're going to try and find maybe a road to go there. Or just try a look and go straight forward and get kicked out. Let's see what happens. So sweet. It might even be worth coming here overnight, camping in these woods. And then go in early morning or late night when they don't expect it. You can see already there's a tower with 2 cameras.
I know, I want to take a picture of it.
Alright.
Straight to hell.
Yeah, here you can see one of the conveyor belts.
Beautiful places.
So much machinery. All the tubes there. I really want to get on top of this thing. I'll research some things about it.
I wonder what this bottom does.
Whole place just, whole place collapses. Oh look, it's all gone. Alright, it's breaking the rules.
Scared me actually.
So there's a guy that keeps circulating around here in a white car, and it's the same one that comes past every single time. He comes up to the top of this road, turns around and goes back down. And I'm thinking, he's the guy looking after this place today. So we decided to take a break. The guards haven't come back, there's not really been anyone around the roads, but we need to wait and observe. How are you feeling?
Tired.
We walked like so much uphill. This entire journey has been uphill, and I think it's like 25 degrees and super humid here.
There's nothing else.
That guy right there.
Yeah. When you take
Honestly, the sickest place. This dome is huge. And inside there's like a huge cement machine that used to take the cement from the bottom into the top. And of course it must be related to this thing above us, the transport conveyor belt or something like that. Strangely enough, there are no signs here that say no entry. And I don't see any cameras. I don't really know why they're not trying to protect this. Like they're trying to protect the big main site with all the cameras. Biggest place we've ever seen, right?
Mm-hmm.
We've been to like factories, we've been to schools, we've been to hospitals, but this is huge. Like the complex itself is huge. This is only one part of it. This is just the dome. It's obviously been in a bad state for a long time. There is a machine, but it's just covered in dust, which you would expect for a cement factory. Saw the dome. We saw some of the machinery. I don't think it's going to be possible to go to the big factory itself because there's just so many cameras. Funniest thing is, this was the easiest entrance. This always happens when we explore anywhere. Although it does say, you know, don't come in. It's a shame that we can't get to the main factory. Maybe next time.
There's always time for a next time.
There's always time for another one. We can always come again, you know. Let's go.
You're excited to go in.
Well, we crawled underneath that gate, you know, the red lifting one. It was really difficult to get in there. Like, I got trapped because of the bag on my back. Walked about, what, 15 meters?
Yeah, not much.
15 meters. And then we heard this, like, it sounded like a door being closed, like, so we ended up running back through the gate, and we see this white truck pull up. Yeah, you know, SS security on the side. This guy's like going like this. Yeah, we're literally walking by. Let's see if we can get a picture. We're literally walking by the police station right there. So I think, you know,
Yeah, it's very heavily guarded. Yeah. Very hard.
that was the thing, that there's no graffiti or anything in the place. So there's nobody that manages to get in and tag it. Yeah, there's a few little tags, but it looks like they're super messy. They're super, like, you know, done in a second. And there's no throw-ups. There's no big pieces. So, you know, that was the first sign. I mean, we got inside the cupola, we got inside all that place, and nothing happened, no sounds, nobody came. And then all of a sudden we walked 15 seconds, 15 meters into this place, in comes security.
3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9.